In this video, I'll show you how to set up a Meta Pixel on Shopify. Start by signing into your Shopify admin dashboard. Next, click Settings in the bottom left corner, then select Apps and Sales Channels. After that, open the Facebook and Instagram sales channel. If it's not installed yet, add the Facebook and Instagram by Meta app from the Shopify App Store. Now click Open Sales Channel and sign into your Meta account if prompted. Next, connect your Business Manager, Facebook page, and add account by following the on-screen instructions. After that, go to the Data Sharing section and choose your tracking level. For the most accurate tracking, select Maximum, which enables both the Meta Pixel and Conversions API. Now select an existing Meta Pixel from your account, or click Create New if you don't already have one. Next, review your settings and click Finish Setup to complete the connection. After that, visit your Shopify store and perform actions like viewing a product, adding an item to your cart, or starting checkout to generate Pixel events. Finally, open Meta Events Manager, select your Pixel, and use the Test Events tab to confirm that your Shopify store is sending events successfully. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up a Meta Pixel on Shopify. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.